Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalid Mahmood and you are watching my YouTube channel Gul Bhai Vlogs. And this is the evening time in Pakistan. The province is Punjab and the city is Attak, ability of CK. And it's the time about 7:30 p.m. And I am making this video for YouTubers and my all viewers which are watching or which will be watching or who will be watching my videos on my this channel. The name is Gulbai Vlogs. So it is interesting to note that the weather is here is very beautiful and weather is very beautiful and there is a rainy days. Every day it had been rained for 2 or 3 hours early in the morning, and all the days we are spending are very pleasantly. There is no warm days for the last 10 days. The Eid al-Azha. Eid al-Azha is was past 3 days before this, and the Eid al-Azha was very cold because of the rainy days, because of the rain, and now it's pretty cold here. So I am making on my roof, and one day I was thinking about of my life, that what has been done in my life. I was thinking quite a while, quite a time before also. Things again and again, what is the purpose of my life? And the result was that to the result was that to get the mercy of God, everyone should do the good works for the human beings. There's a lot of pupils in the words that were and are doing, and they are hopefully will doing the works for the human beings, the beneficiary works for the human beings, which are satisfied themselves. Also, they satisfied the people, the poor people. Also, they satisfied the pupils which are going to the wrong way of the life. The wrong way means the way they did not suit to the our merciful God. So I was thinking also my life, what is the purpose of my life, and the result was that, the thinking result was that the YouTube is the very good platform for me. In fact, everyone should try to use this platform for the human beings, for the beneficiaries of human beings, for the help of human beings. So I was also impressed by myself while I was thinking about my life, that I should do a lot of that I means that the knowledge which I had, and the knowledge which I has, and the knowledge which I will get in the future. I should spreads to the human beings that why I alone get benefit of that knowledge. Why not I separate this my knowledge of everything, not specific things, of everything which I know about human beings. I know about the other things in the life which are fruitful for the human beings. So now I am here on YouTube to make this video. This is my first video for this channel on YouTube, and I am very pleased to making this video. And please help me. Please help me. Why are I asking? Please help me. I am asking for the reason that the knowledge which I have, I am throwing you by using the platform of YouTube. If anyone has get or has got the benefit of my wording, benefit of my knowledge, and he has anyone has the not anyone that man are not satisfied for his life, from his life, and he watched, yeah, he will watch my video, and the life of his man changes positively from my videos. So I am very happy. Oh, I feel very happy. I will feel very happy that if I change one man's life, I feel very happy. So that is the purpose of my life. I think that is the purpose of every man and women's in the world, that they separate their good wishes and good wishes, knowledge, and good knowledge, good observation to for the sake of the other men's. So I am also here for this purpose, and I was talking about to you that one day I was thinking about my life. What is the purpose of my life? I was thinking I should use the platform of YouTube. So therefore I was creating a YouTube channel. My channel name is Gulbhai Vlogs. Gulbhai Vlogs. So pray for me in your prayers, and good wishes for me in your life. And I will making videos for you people which are watching, or which will be watching in the future my videos. So that is the purpose of my channel. That is the purpose of my observations, my knowledge. Either my knowledge, every kind of knowledge which I know, because I am above 40 now. So there is a lot of things which are in my minds that I should spread, that everyone can be the beneficiary benefits from my this observation. The you are thinking about that what kind of observation? All kind of observations that I am getting from in my life. It could be It could be the, I think, what can I say? I think every type of information. It could be the journey information. It could be the religious information. It could be the foods or health of human beings information. There's a lot of categories in the human being's life, and let's do the videos, then you will make to know that I have because I have a lot of everyone. I think every man and women's have the good memories of their life, of their past life, and when it is good, they should share to the show to their friends, relatives.